Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize notes in Google Keep in 2026. Keeping your notes organized makes it easier to find important information, manage tasks, and stay productive every day. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and select the note you want to organize. If the note is important, click the pin icon to keep it at the top of your notes list. Next, click the color icon and choose a different color. You can use different colors for work, study, personal, or important notes. Now click the More Options menu and add a label, such as Study or Work. Labels help group similar notes together. If you don't need a note right now, click the Archive icon. This removes it from the main notes page without deleting it. Finally, use the search bar at the top to quickly find any note by typing a keyword or label. That's how to organize notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.